To begin using Lumi, go to next.lumi.education and you will be able to download the app from there. What is Lumi? It's a desktop app that allows you to create, edit, view, and share interactive content with dozens of different content types. It's free and it's open source. If we scroll down, we're able to see the advantage of using Lumi. It runs standalone. You can choose to embed the content in your LMS or run it directly from your desktop. This is interesting if internet connection is an issue, and of course it offers all of the other features that any H5P product has. And in addition, Lumi also includes learner progress, so the student can download the metrics and send them to the teacher. You also have the possibility of changing language, so for this demonstration I will select French. Now you have all of the guidance in French, and you can go to the download tab and begin your download. You can select the operating system that reflects your situation, either Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you have downloaded the app, you'll be guided through the installation, and you're going to open the application to begin creating or adapting H5P content. When you initially open your application, you are presented with two options, the H5P editor and Lumi Analytics. This is what the students would download and send to the teacher. So let's begin creating. We can begin by clicking on the big plus for a new H5P file for new content type. Of course, once you begin, you can open pre-existing files like any software. If you have just begun working with Lumi and H5P, you may not know what to select. So if you're not sure what content type you're looking for, you can click on details. Notice that I've not worked with interactive videos, but if I wanted to, I can just get it and begin using it. So back to details. If I want to know more about a content type, I just click details and the information about the content type is provided, and I can view a demonstration if I choose. For this demonstration, we're going to use fill in the blanks. For most content types, H5P includes a tutorial and an example. When I click on tutorial, it directs the user to h5p.org and gives you all the information you need for this content type. There's a video tutorial, it provides an example, it offers the context or when you want to use this type of activity, and it provides step-by-step instructions on how to create the activity. Unfortunately, the content types, tutorials, and examples are only in English, but at the website you can find a French list of content, a playlist of French tutorials, and you can also reach out and I can assist you. So let's begin building our activity. We will give it a title, Exercice de grammaire, include the task, description, and customize the font. Oops, there's a mistake that I will only notice in editing. In text blocks is where we enter our text or our activity. I'm going to input the questions that I've structured according to the tutorial. In this case, the activity is built by adding an asterisk at the beginning and the end of the correct choice, and the prompt or the hint is in parentheses. I can add another block of text if I want to add another exercise, and I can also add as many as I would like. I can also customize the score range, so I'll go ahead and input some feedback for students. This part is completely optional. In general adult education, we don't assign grades until the exam, but this provides some motivation for students. I can also choose to distribute evenly. I can also customize behavior settings. So to disable a setting, simply click on it, and in this case, the student would not be able to retry. I want them to do the activity as many times as they need. The same is true for all the other features. It's the same thing. You can add confirmation dialogue and accept minor spelling errors, which we won't need for this activity. Once our activity is complete, we want to see how it performs. Click View. I can complete the activity to see how it performs. I can check and it generates a score. I can show the solution or retry. Let's retry. Now I'm satisfied with my activity, so I will save it. File, save, as usual, as with any other software. Now I can use it directly on my desktop or embed it in my learning management system or website. Now to embed this into an LMS or website, we're going to go to h5p.org and create an account. You can also use learnful.ca and log in with your Gmail account. So let's upload our fill in the blanks activity by clicking on Create New Content. We have created the content on Lumi. You can create it here as well. We're going to upload our activity. You notice that there are fewer content types available because this is intended to try. This is why I prefer to create in Lumi and upload here or learnful.ca. You can also choose to export a SCORM package to a site. Once it's uploaded, I can edit if necessary, and once I'm satisfied, I can go ahead and save it. Now my fill in the blanks activity is added to h5p.org for anyone to use or reuse. Reuse allows you to select an activity, download it, and use Lumi to customize it. So let's integrate this activity directly into my LMS, or in this case, my site. So I select embed. This generates a script that I can use to embed the activity. I simply copy the script and I go to my Google site. I'm going to select embed and paste my script. For OneNote, simply copy the h5p.org URL. For Moodle, embed the script into any activity. Note that new Moodle 3.11 allows you to build directly in Moodle. Now, I'm going to preview to see if the activity works, and there it is. The student can complete the activity directly.